Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izwan Nurli bin Mat Bistaman as a presenter, and my group members Nur Izham bin Subri and Muhammad Zaki bin Shahabuddin. So we are from the Department of Information Technology, Faculty of Business and Science Management, College University Islam Perlis, KUIPS. HR web-based applications for GPS attendance and leave module, case study at College University Islam Perlis. The COVID-19 pandemic outbreaks have led many countries to impose travel restriction and movement control order. So in Malaysia, all sectors, including government and private sectors, factories and firms, even schools were ordered to be closed. And however, they were instructed to work from home. Workers are also reminded at all times to carry out their duties with trust and a full sense of responsibility as provided in the work from home policies. The development of human resource web-based application for GPS attendance and leave module is a case study at College University Islam Perlis. The objective of this research is to develop web-based application for staff attendance and leave module. Besides, to ensure the information accuracy and consistency in managing human resource and provide sufficient report as required. Problem statement of this study. Currently, Human Resource Department still practice manually and record keeping with the use of paper and filing for managing the resources related to employees. So there are some constraints of using a manual system such as file losing, data redundancies, and difficult to manage. And attendance information and leave records for each employee are stored in a file manually and difficult to retrieve when needed. Since the previous system had more constraint and not effective in facilitating the human resource tasks and the crisis of the COVID-19 nowadays, all staff can use this application using their computer or mobile phone at anywhere and anytime. This system is developed using System Development Life Cycle (SDLC) method. SDLC is the process used for software project development. It consists a detailed plan describing how to build, maintain, replace and modify or enhance certain software. For the first stage is the requirement analysis, where the programmer will analyze the system requirement. At design stage, create a display application interface, flow of the application, system design including use case diagram, interface design and database. At development stage, what device requirement to support for system development. And at testing stage, system will be tested for ability to run properly. The weaknesses of the system can be detected. For the last stage, maintenance, system maintenance will be made regularly and to prevent system from damage. Flowchart system shows that how data flows in a system. So in the other words, how decisions are made to control events. There are two flowchart from the admin side and the staff side. Admin can log in by entering username and password to enter the admin page. And admin are able to monitor staff GPS attendance, leave module and generate report. For staff sites, as a user, they need to clarify the user ID and password. Then they have many options, either to use the GPS attendance or to apply leave, and they also can check attendance and leave record. Use case diagram will show that the functions of the system from the beginning to the end of the process. For system descriptions, this is the interface of HR web-based application from the admin side. So there are so many options to discover by admin. After click the GPS attendance buttons, the admin dashboard view will appear as we can see here. Admin can view all staff attendance record and leave record, and at the same time, they can view to generate the report. For staff logins, after they insert user ID and passwords, so the main menu option will display. To record their attendance, they need to click the GPS attendance buttons. So by using mobile phone, because this GPS attendance only support for mobile device where they need to activate the GPS system. This is the interface for the GPS attendance, where location detect by longitude and latitude by using geolocation API. Staff only needs to touch the screen for clock in and clock out to record the attendance. This is attendance record from user's view. Staff can search attendance record by month, working hours, and trace geolocation details. Staff can apply the leave using the leave application module. So by completing the information as given, then they also can check balance of leave and staff replacement. Next, they are able to view leave record whether approved or not. Leave approval and staff replacement will be displayed at this interface. For leave approval for head of department views, to approve or reject leave application and to view all the staff record. For conclusions, this GPS attendance module and leave modules are very beneficial to staff when the country is facing a COVID-19 crisis, where most staff are directed to work from home. With this HR system, it will make it easier for the admin to monitor staff attendance and leave records more efficiently, especially in higher education institutions or any agencies, whether government or private sector. Thank you very much.